Today we will learn about a Navratri hairdo and how you can do it on yourself. It's really funky and you can carry it on a Garba night. Let's start.
Start with parting your hair from the middle, taking a section. Guideline will be your eyebrows, twist it and secure it with a pin. Repeat the same on the other side. Now take a wool or a synthetic thread, whatever you like, and grab a section, pull it through the out and start braiding. Braid until the end and secure it with a rubber band. Repeat the same on the other side. Grab another color of the thread, make a partition, take that out, start braiding. It is very simple and easy. Secure the end with a rubber band. Put on your makeup, accessories, and you are good to rock the Garba night. Thank you so much for watching. Keep following me.